What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Let's just say like that I'm gonna be helping out some people today. Make a quick video. Okay, sorry, it is. Oh, excuse me. I gotta find me a bracket. Or bracket. And then got to get this light on it though. I'm working on getting an upgrade from that light to another light, and you know that would be a fantastic time I can find that bracket. By the way, if you ain't subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and find that bracket and just get it put on there, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Well, technically I know how to put these brackets on very easily. And let's get this thing scrolling up. So guys, like I'm saying, I hope you understand, like this is what I normally do out there today, try to vlog a little, record a little. And right now I'm hoping y'all understand what I'm doing. Let's actually switch our areas, be right back. So guys, tell you the only problem with this car is where's the part at. I mean, I'm gonna have to get an O2 sensor for this car. Okay, let's see where it's at. He must have rolled the windows up. Who knows? I might have to look for the O2 sensors. O2 sensor gotta be in this car. And yeah, I'm gonna get 2 car haulers. Get a car hauler for this car and the other car. I do get ready to move. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I did put these red hubcaps right here. Probably want to get some different bolts on here. Probably want to take one of those off. Put a chrome bolt on there. But yeah, these are original rims, but like I'm saying guys, all the stuff is nothing but original to the car. I gotta somehow make this is actually busted. So I'm gonna plan to get that to a hard top. So yeah guys, you'll see it as like a hard top. But anyway guys, let's just spin like this. I'm sorry like it is. I hope you understand that. Let me turn down the brightness. Medium brightness, there goes fine. But yeah, like I'm saying guys, I hope you understand. When you are making a video or something like that, I would suggest try to make something interesting, like a drifting, something like that. And really, this car definitely needs an O2 sensor. It is a 1989 Buick Limited LeSabre. It is limited, so it is nice for a body style like it is. Think about painting the whole dang car red. Look on the tips right there. The other car is going to be a blue color. But yeah, let me see what's bumping my head on this. Probably zit or something, who knows. But anyway guys, this car. So this is how the sand people would do it. I ain't saying that word. But yeah, this the O2 sensor right there, which O2 sensor, that's what broke, and I had to get the O2 sensor replaced. And it don't look like it's gonna rain, and it actually started out tonight. But yeah, so I'm gonna pull this thing down, get set and level. I like where it slides in, slides out. It's a fancy hood for fancy motherfuckers in the 80s. I love these 80 cars though. I actually like them because they're nice and all. And another thing guys, y'all don't know about this car. Actually, I can break the speed limit in this car if I could. But the only thing I can't do is go 100 or sorry, it don't matter. As long as it gets around where to point A to point B. Let's go into hit here quick. As my car would do. So all it can do is 85. Gas gauge is a little wonky. So you can tell it says limited. So some of these are very rare to make. I got all these roofing redone. Your upholsters. Oh yeah, by the way, Eventually gonna release some merch in the long run. Fuse box right there. All the fuses and everything. That's actually, these fuses went to the truck at one point. And I'll show you something. That's actually all these stuff stock. So I want to see which one. These are our original LED bulbs. So I am working on. Wait, is it? Yeah, I actually wanted to get the bumper replaced. In the long run, this is what it looks like on the front. It's supposed to have high beams too, but the high beams do not work for some reason. But it's decent for a car like this. Imagine with LEDs. See, look, this don't work, so it just flops and hangs. Don't know why though. Let me see if I can actually get that fixed real quick. Yeah, I don't think that's ever gonna work again. It might have to be replaced. Who knows? That's annoying. But my other car sitting over there next to the camper. Somehow I managed to stay up. Oh, the weather seal's actually screwed on this car. And it used to have a Buick emblem right there. But we're gonna walk out to the other place, which is back here. So we're gonna actually let y'all know this too. I'm probably around the stickers or something. And it's plus I gotta get shoes out of the floorboard. I'm gonna pick them up and go. If y'all not realizing, I do have TikTok. Just search my YouTube channel name on the TikTok search terms. And we're gonna actually walk across here. By the way guys, every night it's hard to see. They got stickers right here that's sticking to your feet. But yeah, I'll let y'all know this. You know how I make a lot of videos in the past. Shoot, it blinded me the hell out of me. So I'll see you later. I'm kind of getting on my nerves right now. So what's wrong with this car? Well, let's just say I'm shooting it right now by camera. My camera. The motor, it is completely gone. The GLS Moto, the 4-speed, has a hell of a lot of power, but not an overdrive. So overdrive, they said it'll quote unquote save gas. But yeah, the car and tag still registered in my name. But it's a Hyundai. It's a Hyundai Elantra GLS. It still works and everything. Just needs a fucking new motor. Which it definitely needs a new motor. Trying to bend that back in. Oh, there's my hunter hollering at me. Trying to push that back in. Push that sumbitch back in though. Nah, I ain't gonna worry about it. Gonna get into the hood anyway. Yeah, I gotta get some tools for tomorrow. Quote unquote. I just dropped my camera. Whoops. Yeah, didn't hurt the lens. Good. Yeah, this is what I've always walked through. I'm just showing you the grass path I'm walking at. I had to grab the damn hammer. That's only did, he was hollering for something. Yeah, it just probably me. I don't know. But anyway guys, I feel like I'm biting something biting me. That's what it feels like. Shit. But anyway guys, I'm gonna head back to the house and romp sleep. So good night guys. And by the way guys, the car, that Buick. Oh, where's it at? Actually, dirty lens. Dang, I stepped on something. You know, let's actually wipe the lens off real quick and let's scratch it up there. Whenever I get that Buick motor or anything in, that Buick motor is going to have to go in, and it'd be nice. The Buick have to be replaced. Okay, guys. But anyway, guys, like I'm saying, I do truly appreciate y'all guys. Some fans with a hammer and this shit. I do appreciate y'all watching my car videos at one point where I was doing them on the phone for a while. And, you know, and I'll put this right here. And that's what I'm going to take with me. And a couple of sledge. And I got my I'm gonna put that back on eventually.